Is there a man you deeply want back into your life? I know how absolutely heartbreaking that can be, which is why this presentation struck such a chord with me. It's so hard to let someone go, especially when you have so much shared history, mutual friends, and little things all over your home and life that remind you of him. Stanley, a worldwide relationship coach, was one of the first people to discover a system for manifesting a man back. Not through psychological tricks, not through open-loop texts or any sneaky things like that, but through pure law of attraction. To the point where you don't even have to contact him to make him come running back. If you do really miss him, you have nothing to lose by seeing what Simon has to say about it. The good thing about this system is, you'll never embarrass yourself by trying to get your ex back and failing. Because it's all done through spiritual magnetism. He just feels this pulse from miles away and starts his journey back to your heart. Skeptical? I was too, but Simon used real case studies to prove this, and he's convinced me it works. Click on the link in the description to find the way to manifest the love of your life back.